Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I am in my living room. I am going to do an update, but the problem is I have no idea what I'm going to do for the update. I did purchase a rug a little while ago because I've been wanting to change this rug. There's nothing wrong with it. I love this rug, as you guys know. I think it's very glam and fabulous. You know, sometimes we get a little bit bored with stuff. I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm just gonna fold it and put it away. Maybe I will use it during winter season and things like that. I did purchase a few things from Z Gallery. I'm gonna be using them as well, and I'm gonna look around the house to see what else I can put in here. So I hope you guys are ready for that bumpy ride. I get this question often in terms of what I use on my floor. So I use the Murphy All Soap. That's what I use. In the most common area where there's a lot of traffic, I will add a little bit of vinegar, 1 small cup. For my map, I use the Ocida map that I purchased from Amazon. That's what I normally use on the floor, nothing more, nothing less. A link for the map will be in the description box. This is the rug. I purchased it from Amazon. It is a 8x10, more like a 7.10 by a 9.10. My favorite thing about the rug is the border. I love the design. I think it is really beautiful. I will leave the link in the description box just in case if you are interested. The next thing that I'm doing is to move the love seat from the other side and put it by the window. The rug and the end tables go really well. It's like they were made by the same designer. Even the legs on the end table go really well with the design on the border of the rug. I'm gonna add in these 2 ottomans. They are also from Amazon. I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. My name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. If you see what you like so far, please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so they can notify you once I upload a new video. Big thank you to the Glam Squad family for coming back. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. From Z Gallery, I bought these 4 pillows on clearance. Original price $80. They were at 50% off, plus an additional 25% off. So I only paid $30 per pillow. Not bad at all. They are huge, 24 by 24. I'm also going to be adding these 2 pillows. They are also from Z Gallery. These were $35 each. I bought them last year during the holiday season. I'm going to start over here on this end table. I'm going to be adding 2 Miwa boxes. They are from Home Goods. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to add some coasters. I bought 2 cases of this flower sphere. They were $26.95 each. They were not that cheap, but I've been wanting to get them and I haven't seen them anywhere else but at Z Gallery. These 2 clutches, I also got them on sale at 20% off. I got them a few months ago. I got a big one and a small one. The tray on the table, I got it from Burlington. The glam balls are also from Burlington. This video is not a promotion for Z Gallery, but for some reason most of the accessories that I use in this video are from Z Gallery. The last item that I'm adding on the tray is this beautiful candle. I purchased it from Burlington. Next item is this big glam bowl that I also purchased from Z Gallery. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I also got it at 20% off. It came with the gold stand. It goes really well with the accent pillows and the floor arrangement on the clutch. Y'all know where the throw came from? It is from Z Gallery. I'm just creating a little drama and have it sit on the floor, but after that I'm gonna remove it. On this corner, on the other end table, I'm adding this glam vase with these beautiful flowers from Hobby Lobby. Of course, the vase is from Z Gallery. It is the matching piece for the bowl. I removed the old wall art and replaced it by this one. It goes with the rest of the decor. I purchased it from Burlington. This is my DIY glam vase. I bought the vase originally from Home Goods and then I DIY it in gold. And Ryan thought it would spice up my wall by adding one of his certificates on the wall. I'm using the exact same flowers that I have on the other side. I removed this wall art and replaced it by something very similar. Both of them are from Home Goods. The shelves are pretty much the same way they have been for the past few months. I may have changed a few things here and there, but they have been the same. I try to keep them as similar as possible. Now we are done. Let's see the finished look. Glam Squad, please let me know what you think about my new wog. On the next video, we will officially start our fall decor series. Make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. I am grateful to all of you for stopping by today. I will see you in the next one. Love always. Bye-bye. Mwah.